The girl who loved the stars. Emily was a girl who loved the stars. Every night, she would sit by her window and look up at the sky. The stars were like tiny diamonds, and Emily wished she could reach out and touch them. She loved the way they twinkled and shined, filling the dark sky with light. Emily's grandmother would often join her by the window. "Why do you love the stars so much, Emily?" her grandmother asked one evening. Emily smiled. "The stars make me feel happy. They remind me that even when things are dark, there is always light somewhere." Her grandmother nodded. "You are right, my dear. The stars are a reminder of hope." One day, Emily heard about a science fair at her school. The theme was space, and students were invited to create a project about the stars, planets, or the moon. Emily was excited. She decided to make a model of the solar system, with each planet and star carefully placed in its position. Emily worked hard on her project. She used different materials to make the planets, and she painted them with bright colors. She even made a small model of the moon and placed it next to Earth. When she finished, the solar system looked beautiful. On the day of the science fair, Emily presented her project to the judges. She explained how each planet moved around the sun and how the stars were far away but still bright enough to see from Earth. The judges were impressed with Emily's knowledge and creativity. At the end of the day, Emily won first prize in the science fair. She was overjoyed. When she got home, she ran to her grandmother and said, "I won, Grandma. I won first prize for my star project." Her grandmother hugged her tightly. "I'm so proud of you, Emily. You have shown everyone how much you love the stars." That night, as Emily sat by her window looking up at the sky, she felt even closer to the stars. She knew that she would always love them, and she would always remember the lesson her grandmother taught her, that even in the darkest times, there is always light to be found.